Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make a video favorite on your TikTok app. So let's say, for example, you watched a video and you want to watch this video again, maybe later on at home. Since you're at work, then let me show you how to make it favorite so that you can see it later on. So before we begin, first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and browse to that video where you want to watch later on. So for example, this one here. Now to make this favorite, go ahead and tap on this bookmark icon here, which looks like a flag. Tap on this. This will become yellow. And now you can go ahead and watch this video later on by tapping on profile, then tapping on the flag icon here, just next to the heart. Here you'll be able to see that video again. So there you go, guys. That is how to bookmark a video on your TikTok app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.